So student, this is the question number 3 of exercise 1.3 class 9th number system. The topic is, so here you see students, express the following in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are integer, and here you see Q should not be equal to 0. So let me see part first. So let x equal to 0.6 bar. So this is the first, and we multiply by 10 in 1. So here you see students how to multiply 10, 100 and 1000. So this is depend on the bar after the decimal. Which number, how many numbers the bar is come. Here the bar is come over one number, one digit. So we have to multiply it by 10. And here you see bar is given 1, 2, 3 numbers. So you have to multiply it 1000. So after that multiply, we got here 10x equal to 0.6666, because here we can write this x equal to bar means 666, and thus you can write this same this manner. So we have already write this. So after the multiplied of 10, this decimal comes here. So the value 6.666, and here we subtract x equal to 0.666, that is from this. So here you see 10x minus 6.666, that is, and here subtract x equal to decimal 666, that is. So subtract here and we get here 9x, and after that you see 6.0. So here you see this is 6 over 9, and we can convert into simplest form, 3 to the 6 and 3 3 the. So this is the 2 over 3, which is already a rational number. So this is the position, and now we take about the part second. Part second is, let be second parts. So let x equal to 0.47 bar. So first you can write this x equal to 0.4777 that is. So we can write this number because here you see bar is come over one digit, so 7 is repeating, and after that we multiply by 10 both sides. So here we get 10x equal to, and decimal comes here, so we can write 4.777, that's it. And here we subtract second, so we can write here x equal to decimal 4777, that is. So after that subtracting 9x equal to 4.3, so we got here, and after that 4.3 over 9, and from here decimal remove and 0 increase here, so we can add 43 over 90. So this is already 43 over 90 in the form of P over Q. So this is second part, students. Now we can take the third part. Third part here, this is given, students. Let x equal to 0.001, and here this is repeat again and again 001, same this, because here bar is given over 3 digit. So we can multiply it here. We multiplied multiply by 1000. So we get here 1000 x equal to, so the position of decimal comes here. So here you see 1.001001, that is, and here x equal to 001 and 001. So after that you see subtract, and after we subtract this we get here 999x, and here we see 1. So we can write here 1/999, which is already in the form of P over Q. So same this way you can do, students, the question number 4, and the rest part if given in question number 3. So same this way you can do.